Hey guys, Joe Jaguar here on a nice, cool, coldish March, and two great things to show you guys. Okay guys, we are using the Meade Light Bridge. This is so easy to find. So basically the series, I don't know if you can see it on my phone, is up there. It's beside Orion. I'll show you on the map. And maybe I can show it through the finder scope where to find it. Okay guys, so to find, today we're going to be looking for a very easy cluster. It's a really nice cluster. So basically, look for the Orion constellation. Let me just get to it first. So what you do is, if you find Orion, again, the belt stars, the two shoulders, the two legs, the belt stars, remember, it points to Hades and then to Pleiades. But if you go the opposite way, almost points to Ceres, the brightest star in the sky. And it's also Canis Major, which is looks like a dog. Supposed to, yeah, actually pretty much looks like a dog. So go over here. Again, there's Ceres. This is like the leg, the second leg, the tail. And then there's like three little stars for the head. So it kind of looks like a dog. But anyway, if you just go about, probably about 5-6 degrees here, and it's open star cluster seen in binoculars. So that's what we're looking at, a very easy cluster. And as you saw, it's really nice. So small binoculars, small telescope, low power is what you want. Okay. Okay guys, I'm not sure why. Sometimes it shows, sometimes it doesn't. This is M41. Okay, I think I have it right now. I don't know why I wasn't allowing before, but hopefully it looks okay. But I'll decide which one is better. Okay, and while we're there, we are then going to go for another cluster called M50. M is for Messier, his 50th item that he did, and this is a 7th magnitude open cluster. So this offhand is probably about 15 degrees. I don't know exactly, I'm just guessing, up in this kind of direction. Just put your pointer, your finder scope, and then take a look at that. So let's go try for that as well. Okay guys, so I easily found M50, and all I did is use my Rigel, and I just pointed it. It's hard to see on the cell phone, but where Ceres is, I just showed you on the map. I just went up and above, and then just kind of moved it around a little bit, searched a little, and boom, I see it. So it's a little dim and a little dispersed, but you definitely can see it. And you could tell when you hit a star cluster, because it's not like just random stars in the sky. It's going to look like there's a bunch of them together. Let me see if I can put it to the eyepiece and show you guys. Okay, again, the problem is, I don't know what's going on. Why? It's not really working. This is on cinematic, so it's really dim. Okay, guys, I don't know why. I'm using my cell phone to my cell phone. I don't know why. It's the video, it's just not working. I don't know what changed. So when I go in video, it just goes so dim. Even if I try making it, it just doesn't do it. On the photo, at least you see it. Now it's on the edge. So there's M50. I guess it's better than nothing. But anyway, so I'm just using, so I'm not even using the star sense today. I was able to find, see again, I don't know what happened there. I'm just using the Rigel and putting in the eyepiece, but for whatever reason on video it's just not picking up the cluster. I don't know what's going on. That's, I guess, the problem with cell phones. It may not work. All the other times I did find it easier, but anyway, hopefully. Okay, there's Ceres, and let me see if I can take a picture of the Orion. Anyway, guys, there is 2 clusters. Hopefully you guys can see. Basically one, if you see where Ceres is about over there, underneath Ceres, and then one is kind of like up that way. And there we go. There's a lot of still awesome stuff out there. You guys just got to go out there and just view. Anyway, guys, Joe Jaguar, like, comment, and subscribe. And for you guys that are on the forums, if you see anybody maybe who wants to learn about astronomy, maybe is talk or wants to know about smartphone astronomy, this type of thing, and who observes from urban or city astronomy, that's exactly what I do. So send them my link. If you know anybody getting into the hobby, why not send them my link and tell them to check me out. I do have a membership now, which is 99 cents a month only, and I'm gonna try to have at least one video a month for only you guys that want to deal with other stuff, not for the general public. And I do have thumbs up on all my videos now if you want to contribute. And really, if you guys don't have any humongous street lights shining right down on you, you will be more dark adapted, and you could probably use something smaller, like maybe even a 10-inch. If you're even if you're in a white zone and you have no ambient light hitting you. Now, if you're in a darker zone, then you'll see this stuff even with smaller telescopes, or with a bigger telescope, they'll just be even brighter. So again, that's 2 great things you guys can see even from the city. And that's it. I'll talk to you guys after. Cheers.